Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Clips, the place where learning English is fun, relaxed, and full of real conversations that help you improve your speaking and listening naturally. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy you're here with us today. Get ready, because today's conversation is going to feel like sitting with two friends at your favorite cafe, just chatting about life, work, friends, hobbies, and even weddings.
Hey everyone, I'm Michael. It's great to have you all back. And Emily, when you said we're talking about everything today, I got excited. I love conversations where we just go with the flow. So, what should we start with? Work? Friends? Weddings? Or should we talk about your secret hobby of collecting scented candles? Yes, everyone. Emily has about 50 candles.
Okay, let's not start by exposing my candle obsession to the world. But yes, today we're going to mix a lot of different topics because that's how real conversations work. When you're talking to a friend in English, you don't only talk about one topic, the conversation moves naturally. And that's exactly what we want to help you practice.
Exactly. And before we start, a quick reminder to everyone watching, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mr. English Clips. Your support means a lot and helps us make more fun English lessons for you.
Also, if you're watching with headphones, get comfortable. Grab some tea, coffee, or snacks because this is a real relaxed conversation. The kind you listen to while working or going for a walk.
Yes, some of our viewers told us they listen to our videos while washing dishes or cleaning their rooms. That's actually a great idea. You learn and clean at the same time.
Absolutely. So let's start with work. Because let's be honest, work is something everyone talks about, whether they want to or not. Michael, how has work been for you lately?
Oh man, work has been busy. You know how it is. I wake up early, drink coffee, answer emails, drink more coffee, go to meetings, drink even more coffee. Basically, my job is just 80% caffeine and 20% pretending I understand what's going on. But overall, it hasn't been too bad. My team is great and we've been working on some new projects.
You and your coffee addiction. But I get it. Work can be stressful. For me, work has been pretty exciting lately. I've been organizing more workshops, planning new lessons, and helping students practice natural conversations. I love seeing people gain confidence. It's the best feeling when someone says, "Whoa, I can speak English now without fear."
That must be amazing. And honestly, you're really good at teaching. I think your students feel safe because you're warm and patient. Meanwhile, if I were a teacher, I'd be like, okay, class, time for a pop quiz. And everyone would run away.
Honestly, even I would run away from your class. You'd probably give homework like, write 10 pages about why coffee is important.
Not a bad idea. Maybe I should open a coffee school.
I can totally imagine that. But teaching really is a passion for me. Speaking of passion, that brings us to hobbies. Michael, do you want to tell everyone what your newest hobby is?
Ah, yes. The thing that surprises everyone.
My new hobby is gardening. Yes, I know. I look like a person whose hobby would be video games or sleeping, but nope. I've started growing plants. I have tomatoes, basil, and even a little lemon tree. When I go outside every morning and see new leaves, I feel like a proud plant father.
Oh my gosh, a plant father. That is adorable. And I love that hobby for you. Gardening is peaceful. My hobby, as Michael already revealed, is collecting scented candles. Vanilla, lavender, ocean breeze, cinnamon. I buy one almost every week. My house smells like a candle shop. Sometimes people walk in and say, "Wow, are you baking cookies?" And I'm like, "Nope, it's just my candles."
And they do smell amazing. Candles, gardening, we have very calm hobbies. We sound like two retired grandparents.
True. But hobbies don't have to be exciting or extreme. They just need to make you happy. And talking about hobbies is a great way to practice English. You can say things like, "In my free time, I like reading books and watching relaxing videos. My hobby is taking photos of nature and beautiful places." Or, "I enjoy doing home projects and organizing my space."
Yeah, and hobbies actually tell a lot about your personality. A gardening person is usually patient, a candle person smells really good, and a video game person sleeps very late.
So, you're saying I smell nice?
And honestly, yes, exactly. And speaking of free time, let's talk about friends. Emily, you went to your friend's housewarming party last week, right? How was that?
It was so much fun. She moved into a new apartment and invited a small group of us. We talked, laughed, ate way too much food. It was one of those nights where time goes by so fast. And we played this silly game where we had to act out different emotions. At one point, I had to act like a confused penguin. Don't ask me why, but everyone laughed for 5 minutes straight.
I wish I was there. And that's the thing about friends. They make life better. Even when you're stressed about work or tired from the week, one good conversation with a friend can change everything. Speaking of friends, I actually met up with an old friend from college 2 days ago. We hadn't seen each other in almost 5 years.
Wow, 5 years? That's a long time. How did it feel seeing him again?
Honestly, it felt like nothing had changed. That's the cool thing about real friendships. You can go years without talking, and then when you meet, it feels like you were hanging out yesterday. We talked about work, life, goals, memories, all of it. And of course, we talked about who got married, who moved, who had kids. You know, the usual updates.
Did you two talk about your embarrassing college moments too?
Oh, yes. He reminded me of the time I tried to cook pasta without water.
Ah, how did you survive college?
No idea.
Speaking of getting married, let's talk about weddings. I went to a wedding last month and it was beautiful. The bride looked stunning. The groom looked emotional. The food was amazing, and the music was perfect. But the best part? Watching everyone try to dance after eating too much. I saw one guy try to do a fancy spin and nearly fall into the dessert table.
Oh, wow. Weddings are always fun. I actually have a wedding coming up soon. My cousin is getting married next month, and I have a big job. I'm supposed to give a toast, a speech. Emily, you know public speaking makes me nervous. My hands shake, my voice shakes, my soul shakes.
You'll be fine. Just speak from the heart. Say something funny, something sweet, and something memorable. People love natural, honest speeches. And if you start to panic, just imagine everyone wearing pajamas.
That might actually help. But weddings are beautiful. They bring people together, family, friends, everyone. And you get to dress nicely, eat good food, and celebrate love. What's not to like?
Exactly. And let's be honest, free food makes everything better.
Yes! Weddings feed your stomach and your emotions.
True. And all these topics work, hobbies, friends, weddings they're all things we talk about in real life. And that's why today's lesson is perfect for real English listening practice. When you learn English through natural conversations like this, it helps you understand rhythm, pronunciation, tone, reactions, emotions, everything.
Yes, and our viewers can repeat sentences they hear. Pause the video and practice speaking with us. That's the best way to improve listening and speaking together. You don't need to memorize difficult grammar. Just listen, repeat, and use English every day.
Exactly. And learning English with conversations makes it easier and more enjoyable. You understand how real people talk, not just textbook sentences. You learn jokes, expressions, reactions, natural pauses, and friendly tone. All of that helps you sound more confident and natural.
And of course, don't forget to practice with your friends, coworkers, or even with yourself. Yes, talking to yourself is totally normal. I do it all the time. I'll be driving and suddenly say, "Okay, Michael, today you're going to be productive. Hopefully."
I do that too. It's totally fine. Talking to yourself is great English practice. And listening to conversations like this one helps you learn vocabulary about life, work, friendship, hobbies, celebrations, feelings, and more.
So, everyone watching, keep going, keep listening, keep practicing. You're improving every single day. You're doing something amazing, learning a new language, and we're proud of you.
We really are. Thank you so much for spending time with us today. We hope this long, fun, natural conversation helped you improve your English listening. Come back anytime you want to practice.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English Clips for more real English conversations.
See you next time, everyone. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep practicing English every day.